Ako naman, syempre nanibago ako from all of the productions that we do from All Out Sunday in Studio 7. But now that we're doing teleserye, mas masaya siya. Now that we're doing locked-in taping. And of course, we follow the protocols and everything. But we still get to enjoy with each other and like nagkwentuhan with all the other artists. And I get to learn tips and other advices. Lalo nga na sa mga nag-acting na since they were kid, like si Tao.
Yeah, I have to agree with JD. It's really, really different kasi growing up, sanay na ako sa mga commercials, and then after commercials, puro variety shows. And then coming into this, I thought na, I'm pretty sure it's sort of the same. It's not the same at all. It's super, super different. And ngayon ko na-realize na, wow, nakakapagod talaga siya. So different, but then it's so fun. Parang gusto ko yung pagod ko. I don't know. I guess because everyone is there too. And syempre, I'm with JD a lot. I'm always with JD, always. Well, yung parents ko kasi, they let me play around on set. Parang ako bahala na sa sarili ko, and it's up to me to find my own methods. But one thing that really stuck with me was it's normal to be nervous, but it's also useless to be nervous kasi kapag nervous ka, it's really gonna affect your acting. So parang na-realize ko, nga naman, yung I'm here to perform, I'm here to have fun. And ayun, parang after thinking about that, parang na-realize ko, nga no, why am I nervous? I love what I'm doing naman. So ayun, very simple but very hard to do.
Ako naman po, sa akin madali lang. Sabi ng papa ko to just listen. Listen to your, like yung listen na to, just listen is very simple. And you can use it in a lot of aspects in showbiz. And how I can use it naman during acting is to get a good reaction or a real reaction from the scene. I just have to listen talaga to anong sinasabi ng co-actor ko sa eksena na yun. Ayun, para totoo talaga. I really have to listen, not hear it, listen talaga. Yun lang, simple but nagagamit ko sa lahat ng bagay.
Wow, ang ganda. Wow.